Hi, my name is Tracy Breathnach and here is a short movement and somatic exercise as part of the Body Hotel series. So I'm down at Kenfig Pool this morning. It's in the Bridgend Borough and it's very quiet. It's early and the birds are busy. And the exercise I'd like to share with you is really how I tune into nature in the environment when I have a moment to stop. And it's something, although I'm outside today, it's something that you can do indoors, looking at the window. Something you can move physically standing, or something you can do from sitting. Really, you can just adapt it as you wish. So you begin by finding a place which is comfortable and just allowing your eyes to settle on the parts of the environment that are moving. So here I can see the water rippling gently, some of the branches, occasional birds swooping by, just allowing my eyes to stay with the movement, and then just allowing the body to follow that movement, to follow the same rhythm. Almost like I'm getting the same texture or tone. So really this isn't about using imagination. It's not about trying to be a tree or trying to be the pool. Just purely allowing the rhythm of these other parts of the environment to come into my body. And then noticing in my body how that impacts. So maybe there's more air and I feel connected to my lungs, or perhaps there's more of a fluidity and I connect into my fluid system, or something else. Just allowing a minute or two to connect into this environment, and the movements that you do can be very subtle. Barely moving, or they could be much more amplified if you're in a place where that feels okay. So when we do a practice like this of tuning in through our bodies, through our movement, how does it impact you? And for me, there's lots of impacts depending on the day, but the main one is coming out of my own thinking for a while. Because when we're in nature, we can naturally feel more grounded. And just by bringing this extra awareness to the rhythms, it's possible to interrupt our own rhythm if we've been a bit stuck. And to find the points of connection with our environment, to know that we're not really separate from it, even though we are in a body and the physical body is separate. Actually, we can come into some kind of synchronization and attunement. And in this way, perhaps even feel an emotional impact of what it's like to be connected. And if you wish, you could extend that further and allow that sense of connection to spread and spread, to feel connected to all things. And then allowing your awareness to come back to your own body. And notice how this impacts you to feel connected in this way.